Style a mile wider, suicide bomber, Osama, Al-Qaeda, lighter, Al fire, and just smoke the day away, day to day, while I'm skating razor blades, last key, play by play, dash free. The game don't stop, but I be chilling out. Jack Frost drop another jump and watch me back off like that's all. I'm guessing you must be questioning bubble above your head and that bubble of bust or something. He said when you didn't, they out here tripping. But I'm old man focused every moment. I just get it, I don't want it. I'm just skipping all the Hogan. Hope you wanna, don't stick your nose in. Let's be a dope, this me imposing. Homie told me go in, and if I know you won't, I let you know then. These niggas so them. So why I'ma be trying to be a motherfucker blind to me? I can't see, you leave behind. We finally free, money movement, stamp that and stand back. Get hit by this Amtrak. It ain't no telling where you'll land at. Indian giving the land back. Listen, you hearing that, they mere facts. In fact, it's probably fiction and all in my head, and I'm just tripping. All that it isn't, all on a mission. And I'm sitting in the middle with the crosshairs. That's how much it costs here just to breathe. All's fair, love and war, always on tour every 4 years.